Want your home to look expensive without the designer price tag? These smart home hacks and interior design ideas bring instant elegance, clean lines, and a truly high-end feel to any space. From subtle upgrades to eye-catching details, each idea helps your home feel more polished and thoughtfully designed. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Stay cool and stylish outdoors no matter the sun. This double-top patio umbrella rotates 360 degrees and adjusts in 6 positions, giving you shade exactly where you need it. Made with fade-resistant UV-protected fabric, it's built to withstand sun and rain. Sleek aluminum poles and a sturdy frame keep it standing tall and durable. Solar-powered LED lights add ambiance after sunset, turning your patio into a perfect evening retreat. Why stay stuck in one spot when your chairs can move with you? These upholstered dining chairs roll effortlessly on smooth gliding casters, letting you switch from dining room to living room in seconds. Soft, skin-friendly fabric and plush cushioning make sitting comfortable for hours. Built with solid wood and durable frames, they stay sturdy no matter how often you move them. Stylish, versatile, and ready to use. Perfect for dining, working, or relaxing anywhere in your home. Bring cozy warmth without the hassle of a chimney. This automatic bio-fireplace gives you full control over a clean, eco-friendly flame. Its Scandinavian design features a large curved front glass and side windows for a stunning panoramic view. A reflective enamel plate behind the fire makes the flames dance even brighter. Stylish, safe, and effortless, it turns any room into a warm, relaxing retreat. So if you want instant cozy vibes anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Bring calm and color into any room. This 6-foot indoor bubble wall fountain lets water cascade over a clear, bubble-filled panel into a sleek silver base. Use the remote to choose from 16 colors and 6 lighting effects, from smooth fades to flashing fun. Perfect for entryways, living rooms, or offices, it creates instant ambiance. Durable and easy to maintain, it's a statement piece that soothes and dazzles at the same time. Tired of echoes and noise in your space? These wood-slat acoustic panels cut down sound while adding a warm, stylish touch. The 3D textured design looks modern on walls or ceilings, instantly elevating any room. Made from safe, eco-friendly materials, they're simple to install and built to last. Perfect for homes, offices, or studios, they combine function and decor in one sleek package. So if you want your space to sound as good as it looks, scan the QR on screen. Turn any corner into a light show. This floor lamp casts dynamic RGBIC ripple effects across your walls and ceiling for movies, parties, or chill evenings. You can choose warm, cool, or colorful tones to match your mood, and the app or voice control makes adjustments effortless. Sleek, aluminum design blends into any room while staying whisper quiet. Smart home compatible. It's more than a lamp, it's an experience. Grow fresh veggies and herbs all year long, even indoors. This vertical hydroponic tower has 40 planting pods and a trellis for climbing plants. The automated watering system delivers water and oxygen directly to roots, helping plants grow faster and stronger. Spacious pods and an 8-gallon reservoir keep everything thriving, while a rolling base makes it easy to move. Safe, sustainable, and beginner-friendly, it's perfect for anyone wanting a homegrown harvest. A ceiling fan without blades? Yes, it's real and safe for everyone. This modern bladeless fan keeps air flowing with 6 adjustable speeds while eliminating the risk of fingers or dust getting caught. The dimmable LED light adds soft, customizable illumination for any mood or room. Remote control lets you adjust breeze, brightness, and color temperature independently. Sleek, quiet, and easy to clean, it's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or hallways. So if you want a fan that's safe, stylish, and effortless, scan the QR on screen. Never fumble in the dark again. This under-cabinet light turns on automatically when it senses movement, then switches off after you leave. You can also keep it on manually or dim it to the perfect brightness with a simple touch. Rechargeable and magnetic, it sticks anywhere: closets, cabinets, hallways, or workshops. Adjustable color temperature means warm or bright white light anytime you need it. Upgrade your deck or staircase with a sleek, modern touch. This black glass railing post works as both a middle and end post, fitting level or stair sections effortlessly. Made from stainless steel with a powder-coated finish, it's strong, rust-resistant, and built to last. The included bracket lets you attach handrails easily, while the clear design keeps your view unobstructed. Simple, sturdy, and stylish, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor spaces. So if you want a railing that's safe and stylish, scan the QR on screen. Why settle for boring hooks when you can have art on your wall? This handcrafted wooden coat rack doubles as decor and storage, with piano-style sticks that flip down into hooks. Made from solid walnut and beechwood with a smooth varnish finish, it's built to last. Each hook holds up to 22 pounds, perfect for coats, bags, or hats. Easy to mount and versatile, it brings style and function to your entryway, bedroom, or office. Why settle for ordinary when you can swivel in style? This contemporary multi-seater sofa lets you rotate each seat for the perfect view or social setup. Soft suede fabric feels luxurious and makes lounging irresistible. Its clean, modern design fits effortlessly into any room. Plush cushions and sturdy construction mean you can relax in comfort for hours, while customizable layouts let you make it truly your own. Need quiet and privacy without remodeling? These bifold sliding doors block noise and keep your space peaceful. The hidden magnetic seal and thick alloy panels create a snug, soundproof fit. No lower track means no floor damage and no tripping hazards. Adjustable height and smooth gliding pulleys make them easy to open and close. Perfect as a room divider, office partition, or bathroom guard, they're stylish, practical, and space-saving. Who said walls can't work for you? This floating folding table turns empty wall space into a stylish workstation or dining spot. The desktop slides and folds easily, so you save space when it's not in use. Made from natural wood, it's sturdy, eco-friendly, and won't warp over time. Use it as a desk, a dining table, or even extra shelving. It fits bedrooms, kitchens, or offices. Modern, artistic, and practical, it transforms any wall into a smart, functional area. Turn your books into a work of art. This rustic wooden bookshelf is handmade from solid wood, giving each piece its own natural charm. Its tree-inspired design adds character while holding all your favorite reads. Perfect for your living room, bedroom, or study, it doubles as decor and storage. Sturdy and unique, it's a gift that any book lover will treasure. So if you want your books to shine in style, scan the QR on screen. Make your walls sparkle without a hammer or nail. These hexagon mirror stickers cling right to smooth surfaces, instantly reflecting light and brightening your room. Peel off the protective film and watch your walls transform into a stylish honeycomb display. You can mix, match, and create patterns that fit your space perfectly. Lightweight and easy to move, they give your home a modern, playful touch in minutes. Give your plants a stylish home that lasts. This round Fiberstone planter is lightweight yet sturdy, so you can move it around without hassle. the built-in drainage hole keeps water in check, helping your plants thrive. Weather-resistant and fade-proof, it works just as well indoors as it does on patios. With smooth finishes and extra cocoa mats included, your greenery gets a chic and healthy display every time. So if you want your plants to look their best, scan the QR on screen. Corners usually get ignored, but not anymore. These floating corner shelves turn empty space into a glowing display. The built-in LED lights softly highlight your decor, plants, or collectibles. The L-shaped design fits snugly into corners, freeing up counters and furniture. You get smart storage and warm ambiance in one simple upgrade. Turn any wall into a conversation starter. This 3D wall sculpture adds depth and intrigue, making your space feel alive. Built-in LED lights cast a soft glow, highlighting the intricate acrylic and porcelain details. It's perfect for hallways, living rooms, or offices where you want style with a touch of elegance. Beyond decor, it carries a meaningful vibe, symbolizing good fortune and positive energy. One couch, endless possibilities. This modular floor sofa folds and unfolds to fit your day and night needs. During the day, you lounge, stretch out, or host friends in total comfort. At night, it opens into a spacious bed that feels plush and supportive thanks to memory foam cushioning. No complicated setup, just unfold it and you're ready to relax or sleep. So if you want a sofa that adapts to your life, scan the QR on screen. Your artwork shouldn't disappear after sunset. These magnetic picture lights snap into place and instantly spotlight your frames. They're fully rechargeable, so you don't deal with wires or outlets on your wall. You can switch between warm, neutral, or cool light, or even add colorful glow when you want a fun vibe. With remote control, dimming, and a built-in timer, you set the mood and forget about it. Lighting can change the whole mood of a room. This arc floor lamp sweeps over your space with a clean, modern curve and a polished metal shade. The heavy marble-style base keeps it steady, so you don't worry about tipping. You can place it behind a sofa, desk, or reading chair and still get focused light right where you want it. The foot switch makes turning it on effortless, because comfort should always be simple. So if you want perfect lighting for every corner, scan the QR on screen. Turn your backyard into a calm, modern retreat. This tall outdoor water fountain creates a smooth, rain-like waterfall that instantly elevates your space. Water flows evenly from the top and falls into the base, creating soothing sound and movement. The sleek metal frame is built for outdoor use, so it handles weather without losing its style. Just turn it on and let your garden feel peaceful, polished, and alive. Straight shelves are boring. This S-shaped bookcase turns storage into a design statement. The open geometric layout gives you space for books, plants, photos, and decor without feeling bulky. Its tall, slim shape saves floor space while still giving you multiple display levels. The wood shelves and metal frame feel solid and balanced, so everything stays secure. Perfect when you want your room to look styled, not cluttered. So if you want a bookshelf that doubles as art, scan the QR on screen. Walls are overrated when you can divide space like this. These floor-to-ceiling wooden columns create instant privacy without closing the room in. You get clear separation while still letting light and air flow through. Each post is height adjustable, so it presses snugly between floor and ceiling with no drilling needed. The solid wood feels sturdy and premium, and the smooth finish blends into modern or classic spaces. Perfect when you want your studio or living area to feel organized, open, and intentional. So if you want a stylish way to divide your space, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.